This is my Knox.
This is my Knox.
And this is my Knox.
This is our Whitcomb Art Center.
I think an art-specific building in and of itself is really, really exciting. There's paintings and sculptures everywhere.
Students like it because that building gives them the opportunity to express themselves.
As a building, Whitcomb Art Center, it's really sustainable.
It has ambient lighting, so when it's bright outside, the lights inside naturally dim to save energy, and the air in the building actually circulates every 7 minutes, so if you're ever working with fumes or paints, you don't have to worry about it.
It was designed specifically to be an art building. It's cool to have a building that was designed for you.
That building was constructed with the purpose of giving students the opportunity to explore the field of art and see what would really interest them and how they can better develop themselves and refine their skills. There's a ceramic studio, there's a woodwork studio, there's a metal studio, and they're trying to develop themselves to make sure that they're competitive for the market.
So this press is where a lot of the magic happens. I would say that one of my favorite printmaking processes is using the silk screen room, and over here you can see one of these is actually mine, and there's also a lot more work from other students. As an art major, it was really exciting for me to learn this new type of creation.
So in this drawing studio was the first art class that I took here at Knox, and it was actually what made me want to major in art. My professor was Lynette Lombard, and we did a lot of different exercises with drawing still lifes, which we normally had on this table right here. And each class period, we would move to a different spot in the classroom and draw from a different angle of the still life.
As an art history major, I take history classes and art classes. It's the best thing ever. I've taken ceramics, there's a really cool sculpture class, digital photography, smartphone photography, and all of it is open to everybody. Anybody can take those classes. It's really accessible. I think that's the coolest part.
Knox is a liberal arts school, which means that you are going to take classes that maybe you didn't think you were going to take. It's going to help you be a well-rounded student. I had a friend who did not want to take an art class and was very upset about it. She ended up taking a ceramics class and is now a ceramics minor because she found out that she loves it, which is not an opportunity she would have had without this liberal arts education. In this building, we have a lot of visual arts.
We have our own visual arts journal. Students can submit to this journal, and then they'll have pictures professionally taken of their work, and it'll be published in an actual book.
I think students are really making use of that opportunity.
In this section of WAC, we can actually see a prime example of one of our immersion terms on campus. I love immersion terms. They basically are just kind of a testament to the human-powered experience that we have here at Knox. An immersion term is basically when you work on one project or one experience for the entire term, checking in with professors. And it's the same credit as if you were taking 3 classes. This one right here is actually studio art term. These are all seniors or upperclassmen who are working on their art portfolio all day, every day, and they meet with their professors once or twice a week. There's always something new here, and there's always something really cool to look at.